I am fully sure that no one can guess all the country flags. Hello and welcome to QuizMars for a great Guess the Country by its Flag quiz. So let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. You have 5 seconds to guess this country flag. Answer is United States. Here comes the next one. Hurry up as time does not wait for anyone. Guess this red flag. It's Canada. Here comes the number third one and it's green flag with a star and a moon. So guess this one quickly. It's Pakistan. This seems hard but it is not as hard as you think. After guessing this, comment your score till now. It's a neighbor of Pakistan, India. Red, yellow and black flag. Which country flag is this? Think fast. It's Germany. This is an easy one. People with sharp knowledge can guess this one in just 3 seconds too. Japan is the answer. Oh, your money is running as time is a money. I think 5 seconds are too much to guess this flag. It's Saudi Arabia. Let me give a hint about this flag. This country is known for kangaroos. Now guess quickly, it's Australia. This flag is the one that will challenge your knowledge. So do comment about this in the comment box. Spain is the answer. Here comes the number 10 one and its count is in yellow color. So it's a harder one. So guess quickly. It's Brazil. I had added these yellow ones which test your knowledge. Another yellow one. Guess this. Good job if you guessed it correct. Now the number 12 is not that hard as it is not in yellow. Just 2 seconds are left. It's Finland. If you guess this number 13 flag, you have a great knowledge. Just 1 second is left. Yes, it's Ireland. Oh, again a number yellow one, so it's tough. A flag with a sun? Guess it. It's Argentina. Now which country is this? I surely know that people with great knowledge has already guessed it. It's Iraq. Number 16. Here comes the next challenge for you. If you guessed it already, then like the video as you have 1 second remaining. It's Portugal. Again a yellow one. So it will be a tricky one. Guess it. This is surely a harder one. Even I can't guess it. It's Norway. So it's the number 18 and the last one. Guess it. You have still 2 seconds remaining. Now 1. The answer is Russia. So it's a time to comment your score. Out of 18, how much did you get right? Comment. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. If you enjoyed, subscribe to QuizMars for more quiz. And also like the video.